Happy birthday. Papa's going to take a movie of it. Yeah, so we go have it.
We'll have something for posterity here.
Right. Let's get the candles lighted, and then Papa will sit down, Lord. Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laurie. Your mommy. Happy birthday to you. Laurie. To Laurie. What's my name?
Laurie.
Laurie, you gonna have to let's see, help me blow them out. Stand up. Help me blow them out. 1, 2, 3. Now we got the cake. Let's go.
Photo.
Oh my God, keep it right up there. You should see a dentist, Alex.
A dentist!
That's funny, man. I hate the dentist.
That is nice.
I did this.
It's very light.
Yes, it is. It's quite compact. That's why I selected the